Welcome back. In today's Affinity tutorial, I'll show you how to create realistic emboss and deboss logo effects that you can save as reusable styles and apply to any design with just one click. Let's get started. Import the assets first, insert the image provided in the description below. Next, copy and paste the new Affinity logo onto the image. Position the logo as shown on screen. Then adjust its rotation and shear values until it matches the perspective of the surface. Once the logo is properly positioned, select the logo layer and click the Layer Effects icon. Enable Bevel/Emboss and apply the following settings. Decrease fill opacity to 0%. Radius 0.5 pixel. Depth 2 pixel. Type: change from pillow emboss to emboss. Azimuth angle 133 degree, elevation 39 degree. These settings create a subtle embossed effect, making the logo appear pressed into the surface. Now let's create a debossed version. Select the logo text layer and open the Layer Effects panel again. Enable inner shadow and apply these settings. Blend mode, soft light. Opacity, 100%. Radius, 8.6 pixel. Offset, 3.8 pixel. Intensity, 34%. Color black. Angle 270 degrees. For a more visible effect, increase offset 4.4 pixel, radius 16.6 pixel. This creates a realistic debossed appearance, making the logo look engraved into the surface. To save time in future projects, you can save these effects as reusable styles. Open the Styles panel, click the menu icon in the top right corner, and select Add Style from Selection. Repeat the process for both the emboss and deboss versions. Now, whenever you want to apply these effects to another logo, shape, or text, simply click the Save Style and the effect will be applied instantly. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.